Did you already download our Teleprompter app, but now you need some help to figure out how the app works? Let me give you a walkthrough on the app's features, pricing to find the best package that suits your needs, and finally, how you can take your content creation game to the next level. Hi, I'm Danielle from Teleprompter.com. Today, I have an exciting showdown for you. A head-to-head introduction of the top teleprompter software available in the market today. Features. Let's see what amazing features this app has to offer. First up, I wanted to mention the storage and script management capabilities of our Teleprompter app. You can import scripts from Word, iCloud, or Google Drive. With the ability to upload PDF or text files, organizing your scripts has never been more convenient. You can always edit your script on your laptop, in the app, or even on our website. Our app offers unlimited script storage and the flexibility to edit your scripts right in the app. If you're traveling or if you have limited internet access, you don't have to worry, as the app runs perfectly without internet connection. Not only that, but it goes the extra mile by automatically creating subtitles from your script, which saves you valuable time during post-production. Compatibility is key, and these teleprompter software options are fully equipped to work with your existing workflow. You can easily share scripts between devices and choose between a vertical or horizontal mirror playback. Plus, here's a nifty feature. Our app can be controlled via Bluetooth or web communication with several tools, some of which are far from what you would expect. Would you like to see these tools? Subscribe and turn on the notifications to be the first one to see the video. Having a range of available tools that you can connect to on the app allows you to use devices that you're already familiar with, so you can really focus on your message. Tailoring your teleprompter experience is essential. You get the freedom to see your script just the way you want it. Customize scrolling text speed, its font, its size, and the location on the screen. What's even better is that our Teleprompter app is suitable for people with reading difficulties, as you can turn on bionic reading or open dyslexic font. Pricing. Now let's see the pricing plans. You can kick off your renewed content creation game with a free version that already has some fantastic features. You can organize and save your scripts to the cloud, plus you get to customize the player screen with special fonts and colors. Probably, many of you have an Apple Watch on your wrist that you can use as a remote control. For those of you looking for more advanced functions, the Pro version has you covered. Along with everything included in the starter package, you can also enjoy 4K video recording, mirroring both horizontally and vertically, and remote control and preview prompter on another device. The Pro version also offers the ability to generate captions for your videos. This takes your content accessibility to new heights. And now for our power users and enterprisers. There's the Enterprise package. It includes all the features available in the Starter and Pro packages, such as the 4K video recording without a watermark, mirroring capabilities, remote control, and captions. But there's more. The Enterprise package allows you to bring multiple editors and shared workspaces, allowing seamless collaboration and content creation with your team. Improved performance. Now let's see how the Teleprompter app benefits any content creator, regardless of their video type. Whether it's landscape vlogs or engaging TikTok videos, this app revolutionizes your content creation process and elevates your performance. Tackling complex topics becomes easier, so there's no more struggling to remember every detail or getting lost in your thoughts. Our app also ensures efficiency, allowing easy video recording and saving precious time during production. Our Teleprompter app seamlessly adapts to any format: landscape vlogs, tutorials, interviews, or vertical TikTok content. This way, you can present your script comfortably and professionally while diversifying your content styles effortlessly. Remember, professional videos stand out, and the Teleprompter app brings that touch of style and flair. Elevate your brand and image as a content creator, gaining credibility and a loyal following in a saturated digital landscape. That's all, folks. The ultimate teleprompter software showdown. Now that you see our Teleprompter app offers an impressive array of features, tailored pricing plans, and the promise of smooth content creation. With over 1 million creators already on board and a whopping 17 million videos recorded, you can trust our Teleprompter app to effortlessly elevate the quality of your content creation. So what are you waiting for? Get the app, enhance your videos, and reduce your anxiety during recording. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.